baby. See, we want that thing deep fried. We want that thing in the microwave. We want it 3, 2, 1, pop, pop, it's ready. But God say, sometime I gotta throw that thing in the slow cooker, baby. I gotta cook you slow and steady. Slow and steady when you race, baby. Don't you get in no hurry. Come on now. I'm gonna tell y'all like God told me, baby. He said, don't you get in no hurry, woman. Don't you go to listening to the world and listen to these folks and dancing to their tune. He said, let the world do what they do. But he said, know who you are in the kingdom. Come on now. He said, I have separated you from the world, baby. I have sanctified you. I have ordained you for my use. You are in this world, but you are not of this world. Let the world do what they do, but understand that your kingdom is not of this world. You do things different when you're walking with God. Come on now. You don't try to go out there and make something happen on your own strength.